Hi, my name is Zoe, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make grilled teriyaki chicken and rice. Okay, so we're going to need, for our ingredients, we're going to need ground ginger, some honey, some Worcestershire sauce, some garlic powder, cornstarch, brown sugar, and rice, and lastly, your chicken breast or chicken thighs. Okay, first we're gonna do the rice, and we are gonna do one half cup of rice. So we're just gonna keep pouring. I thought it was gonna be all my rice. Way too much, that's 2 cups. That's 1/2. And now we are going to put it in some water. Okay, I filled mine up to about 700 milliliters of water, which takes yours up to 3 cups. You will also need vegetable oil. So we are going to get a large pot, and you are going to turn it up to medium-high heat. And you're just going to put some vegetable oil in there. Just a little bit. That should be good. Just like that much. And then you want to kind of just go like this to get it everywhere. And now you want to let that heat up. Okay, so I put my rice in. I strained the water. And then I put my rice in. Just like that. And now you mix it to cook it a little bit. Now you're going to put 3 cups of water in. And let that come to a simmer. And when it comes to a boil, put a cap on it. Now you are going to mix 1 cup of cold water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You're gonna whisk that together. And then you're gonna want to, after it's all whisked together, you're gonna wanna add your honey, brown sugar, and garlic powder and ginger. Now you wanna add a 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. There's 1, then 2. And then you're gonna put that on medium-high heat until it's thickened. Now you're gonna add your Worcestershire sauce. Okay, you're gonna wanna put some of your sauce into a small bowl. And you know your sauce is done when it's thick like mine. You're gonna wanna just put some in the small bowl for serving. Just like that. And if you are using chicken breast, you can slice it in half like mine. I sliced it in half. And now you are going to put this sauce, your teriyaki sauce, in your chicken. All over it, just like this. And you're gonna wanna mix it. And we are gonna put some salt to kind of season the chicken, but even though the teriyaki sauce is seasoning it. So I'm trying to just scrape it like that to get all of it. Okay, now you are gonna wanna use your hand, don't be shy, and mix your chicken. I'm leaving one hand free so I can hold the bowl. Just gonna wanna mix the chicken in there. Make sure it gets coated nicely. And you are gonna wanna use some salt. Once you are done with your chicken and your sauce, you're gonna wanna heat up your grill to high. Now that your grill should be heated up, you are gonna wanna carefully place your chicken, and you can let the sauce drip off. Just wanna place all your chicken just like this. And you can place it however you want, just make sure that they all get cooked good. And you want to leave them on for about 5 minutes, just so they can start getting color on them. And yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna flip all of your chicken, and you want them to kind of have like some color, but not too much because we're not done cooking them yet. But you just want to flip them so they have like the grill marks. Okay, now we are going to use the sauce from our bowl, and we are going to just baste it or paste it on the first side, the semi-cooked side of the chicken, just like this. Just brush it on. Try to get a lot on there, like this. And brush it on so your food will taste good, like real good. And just keep repeating that for all your chicken. Once all your chicken is coated, you are gonna wanna turn your grill down just a little bit, not from high heat, but to like medium heat. Don't worry guys, there will be a beef recipe. You just gotta wait. Okay, now you're gonna flip your chicken again, and you are going to baste the other side. Don't be shy with how much sauce you put, because there can never be too much. Just going to keep doing it. Woo. You also want to do this fast so your grill does not lose the temperature, cool down. So you don't want your grill to cool down too much. I'm trying to get my sauce. So yeah. All right, now that my first side of my basting part, it's done, you are gonna wanna leave it and occasionally flipping it. You wanna cook it until it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Joke time. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. I'm so funny. It is smelling good. Now we are going to check the temperature of our chicken. You want it 165 degrees Celsius. There it is. Fahrenheit. There we go. That's ready. You want to check the 2 biggest parts of the chicken and the 2 biggest ones. That is way ready. I'm going to check this one more time. And look at that. They're ready. Now, you want to get a plate and place them on your plate. my plate's getting heavy. And that one. There we go. Now, you want to turn off the fire and the gas. Now you can serve. Now you enjoy.